how I had learned friend function in C++ if I had to start over. So, welcome to Intelle Learn, your ultimate source for learning. So, our today's video is going to be on friend functions in C++. If I had completed my friend functions in C++ in first year, so how would I have done it in my first graduation year? It's like I have completed right now. I have a total understanding of what is a friend function in C++. I will explain you in very small time. So let's begin. So, friend functions in C++. So, let's take it in a brief overview or what we are going to learn. So, in this video, we are going to learn about what is the definition of a friend function and what is the syntax used in friend function and what is the example which we use in a friend function. So, let's begin with a short story. So, here's your short story related to friend function which we all can understand in simple words. So, it's like friend function is nothing but, let's take an example of a class. If you already know about access modifiers, it consists of 3 access modifiers: public, private and protected. As we all know, in private access modifier, we cannot access the data outside the class. So what is going to happen in friend function in C++? In friend function, we are going to create a function which can access the private data of the class outside the function. You can think of 3 people, let's say myself and the person I don't know about him, but my friends know about him. So what I can do, I can ask to my friend about his details, so my friend can give his private information towards me, not about the private information which I'm talking about. It's like related to him, related to the details which I don't know about him. It can be said by a friend, right? So as we all know, when we get into a meetups, we don't know each other, so we have a friend which know both of us, so they introduce us to each other as well. So in this also we are going to learn about friend function, in which we are going to create a function which is created outside the class. What I said, the function definition of a friend function is created outside the class and it is declared under the private access modifier. So we are going to do in this short video. So let's begin. So what's the definition of a friend function? Definition of a friend function is a function which can access the data of the class outside the class. A function which can access the private data of the class outside the class is known as a friend function. Think about it like we are going to declare the function inside the class under the private access modifier where our data members is going to be stored. And the function definition will be created. It means that the code, the block of code of that given member function will be written outside the class itself. And with the help of the friend function, we are going to access the private data members outside the class. It means that with the help of the object which we are going to create in the main function, we are going to use the friend function which will help us to access it. So let's see with the example along with the syntax what is going to happen. So example is in front of you. So this is the very easy example which I have created in front of you. So you will understand what I am trying to talk about. So let's say this is a class named as friend. Okay. So it has some private details such as his name, his age and his graduation. So as we all know about a constructor, so inside it I have written hello, basically to let us know that the function is created. The class data members and member functions are created as we create the object itself. As we all know about constructor, a constructor is a special member function which is automatically executed when an object is created. So right now we are going to talk about a friend function. So I told you about the definition, right? Friend function is declared inside a class under the private access modifier. So we have created a friend function named as details, which is under the private access modifier. So what is the object, what is the parameter of that friend function? It is nothing but the friend class object itself. So when we declare a friend function, first friend keyword is used. It is followed by friend keyword. Okay, friend keyword is used, then followed by the function name. As we all know, friend function is declared inside the class under the private access modifier and the function definition is created outside the class. It means that the function's code is created outside the class. So as you can see, friend function inside which we have declared the details friend function, which takes the parameter of the friend object, and its code and its function definition is written outside the class, as we can see here. So what is the use of this friend function? So basically it is going to give some private details of a friend on the screen. Okay, so name, age and graduation, and as we know about parameter, so parameter is the friend object, so we need to give the object first, afterwards it is going to give us the private details, right? So we have created the friend function named as f1, sorry, we have created f1 object of the class friend function. So we have did a function call, as we can see here, right? As we can see here, we have did a function call. Which function call? We have did a friend function call, right? So details function, and we have passed the argument as f1 object, so it is stored inside f. So as we all know, details is the friend function of the friend class. Details is the friend function of the friend class. So what will happen? It will easily access all the private data which is inside the friend class. So it is accessing them outside the class, and we are also accessing it in the main function itself. As we all know about private access modifiers, it cannot be accessed outside the class, that is in the main function, as well as in the derived classes as well, means child classes as well. So this feature is known as data hiding itself. So as we all know about data hiding, the data which we store inside the private access modifier, under the private access modifier, is known as the data hiding feature. So friend function is breaking that concept itself. It's like we are going to access the private data members outside the class. So that is done with the help of the friend function. If you are not using the friend function, you cannot access the private data members outside the class respectively. So you can think of a friend function like the friend which we know the details about, which we have the private details, and we can share to our other friends if they want, if they ask us about it. So the private details which are accessed outside the class. So it's a friend, right? So I am a friend, I have my two friends. My first friend is asking me about my second friend, so I am sharing him the details of the second friend, which is private, right? Because friend 2 doesn't know about friend 1. So of course friend 2 will not share his private details towards him, but I am the friend function, means I am the friend of the friend 2, so I can tell him about my friend 2 because I am outside the class, means I am not with the friend 2 right now, means I am outside it, so I can be accessed by the friend 1 and I can easily tell them. So this is all about friend function in C++ programming. Think of a friend function in simple terms. A friend function is a function declared inside the private access modifier, declared inside the class under the private access modifier, and its function definition is written outside the class, and its function is written outside the class, and it does not need to be called out with the help of the object. As we can see, we don't need any object to call the details member function, but we need to create the object so that we can access the private data members with the help of that object. So this is all about friend function. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more further video updates. Thank you.